Namaskaram girls. In this video, we are going to see the grammar part pronoun. Already you have studied in your previous classes, isn't it? From the lower section onwards, we are learning the parts of speech. Among the 8 parts of speech, pronoun is one of them, isn't it? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, exclamative. Prepositions you have studied, isn't it? So what is pronoun? Noun you have studied. A naming word is noun you have studied. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word or a phrase that substitute the repeated noun. The word substitute the proper noun also we can say. Noun or proper noun is called pronoun. Basically, you have studied the pronoun as I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or pronoun you have studied. While we studied about the possessive pronouns, which it talks about the belongings. Him, his, us, ours, theirs, you have studied. And demonstrative, you have studied. Reflexive, you have studied. But here, in 10th standard, they have given 10 types of pronouns. The basic 2 or 3 only already have known. In this class, you are going to learn more than that. The first one, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, he, she, it, I, we, you, they, I told, isn't it? So these are called personal pronoun. This already have known. And the second one, relative pronoun. That also I think you have studied. Which, whom. The yellow back which is belong to me. So relative pronoun. Which, whom are called, which shows relation to the noun. And sometimes the words like which and what, who, whom, sometimes it is used to ask questions. That is interrogative pronoun, which asks a question. And demonstrative, that this, those, this, those are all called demonstrative pronoun. And the fifth one, distributive pronoun, which tells the distribution, each one of them, every one of them, neither his or him, any one of you, none of you. So the pronoun which it distributes a group or a pair is called distributive pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? It doesn't particularize a person. That is indefinite. For example, all the students. Some of them are waiting. Few of them are waiting. We are not particularizing any particular people. We make it as a indefinite. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic, myself, herself, isn't it? That is emphatic. Myself, himself, herself are called emphatic pronoun. And then reflexive pronoun. So the emphatic and the reflexive seems to be same, but based on its meaning it differs. How it differs? The emphatic pronoun, the word used for emphasize before the verb. The work is done by herself. I'll do my work myself. So it emphasizes before the verb. But the reflexive pronoun, it reflects the action towards the subject used after the verb. Do you understand, girls? It reflects the action towards the subject, but it was used after the verb. Yourself. I myself did the work. That is emphatic. I myself complete the work. Reflexive, the students are asked to do their work themselves. So it reflects the action towards the subject. The students, they have to do the work themselves. That is reflexive. And exclamative. What is an exclamative pronoun? What a lovely picture it is. So it depicts the exclamation word. And the last one, 10th one is reciprocal. Reciprocal pronoun, that is one another, each another. They are reciprocal. It talks about the give and take. They are depending on each other. We have to share our things with one another. So reciprocal. If you give one, the other one will also give you another one. So that is give and take is reciprocal. So these are all 10 types of pronoun. Just for knowing, they have given this. But in your book exercises, they have given just appropriate pronouns and personal pronouns. And also using the relative pronouns, they ask you to do the work. So just to get an idea of this pronouns, and we will do the book exercises. In the book exercise, they are given only simple only. So the personal only talks about the he, she, it. Relative, we have to use the word which. The bag which I bought. So you are relating with the bag which I bought was costly, expensive. So the word relate, the word which, relate the bag. Instead of the bag which you bought, you are using the word, isn't it? So that is relating. Interrogating, while you are asking questions, you have to use the interrogative pronouns. Demonstrative, I already told you, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Distributive, each, every, those words are called distributive pronoun. For example, each one of the children has a watch. So each one of us want to get. So while we are talking about each, every and other thing, it is called a distributive pronoun. And indefinite, I told, we are not particularizing. If we say it in a group, all of us, some of them, while we talking about a group, we are not, if we are not particularizing a singular, we have to use the indefinite pronoun. Emphatic pronoun and a reflexive pronoun, it seems to be same, but emphatic pronoun, it only connect, emphasize before the verb. That is emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, it reflects the action towards the subject and used after the verb. If it is used before the verb, that is emphatic. If it is used after the word, that is reflexive. Okay. For example, I will already give you the emphatic and the reflexive. I will give you sentences, girl. Only then you can understand. So before the verb I am using, this is emphatic. So after the verb we are using, this is reflexive. Do you understand, girls? So the word, the pronoun which is used before the verb is called emphatic. After the verb is called reflexive. And the reciprocal I told one another. Give and take. Okay. So the fifth unit they have given pronoun and the book exercise will be sent as a video. Try to complete the book exercises. Thank you, girls.